So, what is the best perfume? I have some samples here. A couple of bottles by Initio. It's a French perfume. Another French perfume, Kiritan, and another one by Prada. Let's see. Which one do I like? Which one do I think is the best? Which one is my favorite? The point here is there is no such thing as best perfume, even though there is. It can be a best-selling perfume, or it can be a highest rated perfume, or more number of people talking about it, or more number of people appreciating it versus the other perfumes. Does it make the best perfume for you? That's the question. And it can be answered only by you smelling it, you experiencing it. And it will feel different in different weather conditions. It will feel different depending upon the mood. It will smell different when you wear it on your clothes versus putting it on a sample paper. Maybe it was your favorite perfume growing up, but no longer. Maybe you enjoyed it a few years ago, but now you've moved on. Which one is the best perfume for you? Each one of us have a different body type. Our skin is different. The pH value, it's almost different. Oils are secreted on each person's body. And there's a chemical reaction that takes place between the perfume and my skin. How a perfume smells on my skin is going to be different from how the same perfume smells on your skin. And we cannot judge that without actual experience, without trying it out. The point is, we are all made different. In school, college, education institutes, there seems to be a formula: study hard, be disciplined, organize yourself, and so on and so forth. Generally speaking, they're very sound principles. No one can say what's wrong with it. But ask somebody who is of the creative type. That person has a higher order of thinking and deduction. That person is not just fact-finding research and regurgitating what that person read. That person can think informatively, deduce, suggest, higher order thinking. And for a creative type, the person needs space, more space than others. So you only can decide, am I being lazy or am I just different? And honestly, it can take a lifetime sometimes to come to that conclusion. And the sooner we allow our kids space to be themselves, create environment and acceptance as who they really are, the better. So that was about our kids, but what about us? We need to create environments for us which are conducive for our growth. Environment where I feel safe to be myself. It is not somebody else's way of thinking. It is not somebody else's decision that I must live. It is not somebody else's voice that I must follow. It is my own. What is the best food? Well, what do I feel like eating today? What is the best perfume? What do I feel like wearing today? What is the best color? What do I feel like wearing today? What is the best destination? Where do I feel like going? Do I feel like going in a city or nature? And not judge it. What type of cuisine do I feel like eating today? Healthy, light, fun, crispy. Perhaps the idea of best can be replaced by suitable. Or what do I feel like? It is actually quite gentle, very yin, non controlling. It's allowing, and it's actually very sweet. I love me.